What's the first thing you expect from a major software update? Probably some exciting new features, better performance, and a fresh look, right? Well, Samsung's latest software update, One UI 8, which is based on Android 16, has just started showing up on a few of its upcoming phones, including the Galaxy Z Fold 6, but early impressions suggest it's not quite the game changer people were hoping for. Right now, only a handful of people have had the chance to try out the early test version of One UI 8, and the general feeling is underwhelming. This update is still in the early stages, so it's missing a lot of the upgrades users expected. One of the biggest letdowns is just how basic it feels. According to those who tested it, there's barely anything new to explore, and it looks like even the official changelog might end up being really short once Samsung rolls it out fully. This isn't just the case for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Other upcoming devices like the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the Z Flip 6 are also showing signs of the same problem. Some of the main features people were excited about, like the Now bar, aren't even functional yet. That shows just how early in development this version still is. It feels more like a foundation for what's to come, rather than something close to being finished. Of course, getting early access to new software can be exciting, but in this case, it's more of a sneak peek at the rough draft. Samsung clearly still has a lot of work ahead. The current version doesn't show off the full potential of One UI 8, and many of the expected features and improvements are still missing. Insiders say Samsung is aiming to release the final version of One UI 8 within the next 3 months. But judging by how incomplete this version is, that timeline could be a bit too optimistic. There are still bugs to fix, features to add, and plenty of polishing to do before the update is ready for the general public. That said, not everything is a disappointment. One small change that caught people's attention is the updated weather app. It now includes fun animations where a little character appears dressed for the current weather, wearing shorts and a t-shirt on sunny days, or carrying an umbrella when it's raining. It's a simple visual touch, but it does add a bit of life to an otherwise unchanged app. Apart from the animated character, the rest of the weather app remains largely the same. You still get all the usual information, hourly temperatures, rain chances, UV indexed, sunrise and sunset details, and pollen data. So while the visual update is a nice addition, it's not a major change in terms of functionality. For now, this redesigned weather app seems to be the only noticeable difference in One UI 8. The rest of the system looks and feels very similar to the previous version, and that might leave many users wondering if this update will really be worth the wait. But it's important to remember that this is just the beginning. Samsung usually takes its time to get things right, especially when it comes to big updates like this one. And when we're talking about foldable phones like the Z Fold 6, there's an extra layer of complexity involved. These devices have unique screen setups, multitasking tools, and features that require more fine-tuning than regular smartphones. Also, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 haven't officially launched yet. They're expected to arrive alongside the next generation, possibly the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, which should come preloaded with Android 16 and One UI 8 when they hit the shelves. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out when the real changes start to roll in.